Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today video is a complete YouTube guide where I will show you step by step how to use important YouTube features from setting to upload videos, making playlist, adding end screen and even checking analytics. If you are beginner, this video will be very helpful for you. So let's start. How to enable YouTube dark mode. First, let's talk about dark mode. Many creators and viewers prefer dark mode because it reduces eye strain and looks more professional. On mobile, open YouTube app, click on your profile picture, go to setting, then journal, then appearance, and choose dark theme. On desktop, click on your profile picture, select appearance, and choose dark theme. Now your YouTube will be easier on the eyes, especially at night. How to add channel keywords and tags. Keywords help YouTube understand what your channel is about. Go to YouTube Studio, click Settings, then go to Channels and Basic Information. Here you will see a section for keywords. Add words like tech, YouTube tip, online earning according to your content. Tags for individual videos can be added during uploading under the More Options section. Pro tip, don't stop too many keywords, just use the most relevant. How to set channel watermark. A watermark is a small logo or subscribe button that appears on your videos. Go to YouTube Studio, customize watermark. Upload a small transparent PNG, for example, a subscribe button. This will encourage people to subscribe while watching. How to add subtitles, captions. Subtitles are very useful because they make your videos accessible to more people. In YouTube Studio, open your video, click Subtitles tab. You can upload a subtitles file or type manually while the video plays, or use YouTube auto-generate captions and edit them. Subtitles improve tracking because YouTube reads the text. How to use YouTube Studio on mobile. YouTube Studio is the control room for your channel. Download the YouTube Studio app. It's also called YT app, YT Studio. With this, you can check views, likes, subscribers, reply to comments, and even edit video details. It's very important for managing your channel. How to upload YouTube videos properly, step by step. Uploading video the right way is key. Click plus button, then upload a video, select your file, add title, then description, add thumbnails, enter tags, audience setting, visibility. Pro tip, always add a thumbnail and description. These make your video clickable and rank better. How to schedule a video. Scheduling allows you to publish video automatically at the best time during upload in the visibility section instead of public click schedule. Set date and time, then save. Now your video will publish automatically. How to make YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts are vertical videos under 60 seconds. Tap plus button, create a short. You can record directly or upload a vertical video. Add music, text, filters, then upload with shorts in the title or description. Shorts grow your channel faster because they get more impressions. How to make playlist. Playlist help organize video and increase watch time. In YouTube Studio, then contents, then select videos, and then add to playlist or create a new playlist with catchy titles. For example, YouTube tips tutorial playlist. When viewers watch one video, they automatically continue to the next. How to add end screen and cards. End screen and cards keep people watching your content. In in YouTube Studio, open your video, go to editor, and end screen element like subscribe button, link to another video or playlist. Card appears as small pop-ups during the video. Pro tips. Add cards at interesting moments where viewers might want more contents. Pro tip. Add cards to pro tips. Pro tip. Add cards at interesting moments where viewers might want more content. How to check YouTube Analytics. YouTube Analytics tells you exactly how your channel is performing. Open YouTube Studio, then Analytics tab. You will see Overview, Reach, Engagements, Audience. Check which video are performing best and make more of that type. Analytics is the secret key to growth. Conclusion of my video. So friends, in today's video, we covered important YouTube features like dark mode, keyword, watermark, subtitles, YouTube Studio, upload videos, shorts, playlists, and analytics. If you follow all these steps, your channel will look professional and grow fast. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with your friends who are also starting YouTube. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.